If you are a product manager or a product owner, then you know how messy things can get. Scattered research, shifting priorities, many different tools, and way too many meetings. And this is exactly what we used to go through before we adopted Miro, an AI-powered visual workspace for end-to-end collaboration. In this video, I'll show you exactly how we can go from chaos to clarity using Miro. And most importantly, we can use it for free. Here is what our old process looked like. Our research was scattered across different tools, making it time-consuming for synthesis and collaboration. Non-visual planning tools made our life difficult to see trends and patterns. Time-consuming meetings took most of our time just to stay aligned and avoid miscommunication. Managing stakeholders' expectation was difficult as we often got lost in a large list of email threads. And then we found Miro and decided to move everything into it. Now we have all the research and insights in one visual board. We can collaborate, plan, and visualize our sprint and roadmaps in real time. Everyone from product manager, designer, and engineers now work on the same page. And no more tool hopping. We are focused on giving value to our customers. And the difference we observed was real and fast, with our sprint planning time dropping from days to hours, our team staying aligned to launch faster. We made better choices with instant visual and dashboard to guide our decisions. All this has been possible due to the Miro's powerful collaborative platform that provides the mind maps to brainstorm and break down product ideas visually, sticky notes and clusters to capture research insights and organize them quickly, tables and timelines to build roadmaps that update in real time, documents to keep everything together instead of switching between tools, expressions and comments to align team asynchronously, online calls to collaborate live without leaving the board. Instead of 5 different tools, we now plan, collaborate, and deliver from a single shared workspace. Don't trust us. It's not only us, but other companies like PepsiCo who launched 3.6x faster with Miro. Keller Williams is said to have cut time for market by 50%, and ASOS has expressed that it shortened the planning time by 50%. Now, if your team is tired of scattered tools and messy workflow, I highly suggest you try Miro. You can try different options including free ones. It gives us one shared space for research, analysis, collaboration, and decision making. Why not make your next roadmap session a little simpler and more visual? Try Miro for your next project. Thank you.